everyone! Welcome back to our channel. You've come to the right spot if you're looking for ideas for designing and decorating your home. This video will offer a variety of imaginative and motivational suggestions for enhancing the coziness, style, and personality of your home. In order to avoid missing any more intriguing ideas, make sure you watch through to the end and remember to subscribe. Let's begin. Cozy and modern bedroom accent wall. Imagine stepping into a bedroom where warmth and modernity seamlessly blend. The accent wall serves as the focal point, painted in soft neutral tones like taupe or greige. A textured finish, perhaps a plaster effect or subtle vertical grooves, adds depth and intrigue. Above the bed, minimalistic wall sconces emit a warm glow, complementing the soft ambience. To enhance the cozy vibe, a floating wooden shelf with potted plants, books, and candles adorns the wall. Layer the bed with plush throws and pillows in complementary tones to complete the inviting yet sophisticated look. Romantic bedroom accent wall. Create a dreamy romantic sanctuary with a stunning accent wall. Choose a delicate floral wallpaper in soft pastel hues like blush pink, lavender, or mint green. Position the bed against the wall, and frame it with ornate mirrors or vintage-style wall sconces. Draping sheer fabric from the ceiling can add a whimsical touch. Pair the wall with white or cream bedding accented by velvet pillows and a quilted throw. Finish the look with fresh flowers on bedside tables and warm fairy lights to cast a magical glow. Bold and moody bedroom accent wall. Transform your bedroom into a luxurious retreat with a bold and moody accent wall. Opt for rich, dark hues such as deep green, navy, or charcoal gray. Paint the wall behind the bed, letting it anchor the room's design. Add a statement piece like a large abstract painting or metallic art to enhance the sophistication. Complement the dark tones with gold or brass fixtures, such as bedside lamps or wall-mounted lights. Soft, textured bedding in lighter shades like cream or beige balances the dramatic wall, creating an inviting yet chic atmosphere. Industrial-style living room accent wall. Set the stage for an urban industrial vibe in your living room with an exposed brick accent wall. If brick isn't an option, faux brick panels or textured wallpaper can achieve a similar effect. Leave the brick raw or paint it white for a more modern twist. Add floating wooden shelves to display plants, books, and industrial-style decor like metal vases or vintage clocks. Pair the wall with leather furniture and a rug with geometric patterns. Incorporate Edison bulb lighting to complete the industrial aesthetic. Contemporary TV wall in living room. Create a sleek and contemporary TV accent wall that blends style and functionality. Use geometric patterns with a combination of wood panels and painted sections. Opt for neutral tones like gray, beige, or white, with a pop of color to add interest. Mount the TV flush against the wall and integrate hidden LED strip lighting for a backlit effect. Add built-in shelves or cabinets around the TV to store media devices and decor items. A few potted plants and minimalistic decor pieces can soften the modern design. Scandinavian-inspired living room accent wall. Design a calming and minimalist Scandinavian accent wall with whitewashed wood panels. Choose clean, horizontal planks for a sleek look. Add subtle decor elements like a black and white framed gallery or a simple round mirror. Incorporate natural materials, such as a jute rug, a linen couch, and knitted throws. Enhance the cozy feel with soft lighting from floor or table lamps. A few potted plants or dried flowers bring a touch of nature to the serene and inviting space. Elegant dining room accent wall. Transform your dining room with a sophisticated accent wall featuring wainscoting and a rich. Paint the upper portion of the wall in a matte finish, while the wainscoting remains a crisp white. Hang a statement mirror or an oversized piece of abstract art to elevate the space further. Pair the wall with a dark wood dining table, upholstered chairs, and gold or brass accents in the lighting fixtures or table decor. A centerpiece with fresh flowers or candles completes the elegant dining experience. Farmhouse-style dining room accent wall. Bring rustic charm to your dining room with a farmhouse-inspired accent wall. Use reclaimed wood planks arranged horizontally for a warm, natural texture. Display vintage plates, mirrors, or a curated collection of rustic decor like antique tools or framed botanical prints. Choose a neutral palette with soft whites, beige, or gray tones to balance the wood's warmth. Pair the wall with a distressed wood dining table, mismatched chairs, and a statement chandelier, such as a wrought iron or mason jar fixture, for an authentic farmhouse feel. Modern kitchen accent wall with backsplash. Make your kitchen stand out with a bold and colorful backsplash accent wall. Use tiles in eye-catching patterns like herringbone, Moroccan, or geometric designs. Vibrant hues like teal, mustard yellow, or terracotta add personality to the space. Install open shelving above the backsplash to display decorative kitchenware, such as ceramic bowls or glass jars. Pair the accent wall with sleek cabinetry in neutral tones to balance the vibrancy. Add under-cabinet lighting to highlight the backsplash's intricate design. Functional kitchen chalkboard accent wall. Combine style and functionality with a chalkboard accent wall in your kitchen. Paint one wall or a section with chalkboard paint, creating a space for grocery lists, recipes, or inspirational quotes. Install a rail system with hooks for utensils, pots, or pans below the chalkboard. Floating shelves above the chalkboard can hold spices, plants, or decor. Keep the rest of the kitchen bright and airy with white or light-colored cabinetry. This accent wall not only adds character but also serves as a practical tool for everyday use.